मेरा नाम अंकुल कुमार है। आप सभी को मेरा ब्लॉग यूट्यूब चैनल प्रोग्रेस माई लाइफ में आप सभी का स्वागत है। दोस्तों आप सभी को हमारे तरफ से गुड इवनिंग। दोस्त आज 1 जुलाई है। 1 जुलाई 2026 है। जो आप सभी को आज हम फार्माकोग्नोसी के जो पढ़े हैं वही चीज़ का रिवीजन करते हैं। फार्माकोग्नोसी क्या है ये सब के बारे में। The pharmacognosy definition and history. The pharmacognosy is a branch of science which deals with the study of crude drugs from natural sources like plant, animal, minerals, kingdom, or to acquire the knowledge or science of drug. The word pharmacognosy is derived from two Greek words. Pharmakon means drug, gnosis means knowledge. तब ड्रग्स नेचुरल या सिंथेटिक्स। नेचुरल नेचर, सिंथेटिक्स केमिकल। नेचुरल और सिंथेटिक्स केमिकल। तब ड्रग्स हो गया। तब द टर्म ऑफ फार्माकोग्नोसी इन इटली नोन एज मटेरिया मेडिका वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय C.S. Sidler, a medical student in Halle, Germany in 1815. He wrote his doctoral thesis titled Analytica Pharmacognostica. तब हो गया। उसके बाद एनालिस्टिका फार्माकोग्नोस्टिका। तब है एनालिस्टिका फार्माकोग्नोस्टिका। तब है फार्माकोग्नोसी मीन्स नॉलेज ऑफ ड्रग्स। तब डायोक्राइट्स नोन एज द फादर ऑफ फार्माकोग्नोसी। फादर ऑफ इंडियन फार्माकोग्नोसी डॉक्टर चंद्रकांत कोकाटे। हिपोक्रेट्स यूनिवर्सली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड एज द father of modern medicine. Sushruta is the father of surgery. Galen, the first Greek pharmacist who described the method of preparing drugs from natural sources like plants, animal, minerals. Galen, the first Greek pharmacist who described the method of preparing drugs from vegetable and animal origin, and also gave many formulas. Scope of pharmacognosy: isolation of phytochemicals, biosynthetic pathways, investigation, preparation of herbal formulation, drugs of direct therapeutic action, therapeutic uses, formation of novel medicine, isolation of phytochemicals. Certain phytochemicals are derived from the plant, such as glycosides from distillers leaves, alkaloid from the plants Belladonna, Rauwolfia, etc. Biosynthetic pathways investigation. The pharmacognosy helps in the investigation of biosynthetic pathways of primary and secondary metabolites. Preparation of herbal formulation. The pharmacognosy helps in the formation of certain herbal formulations like churans, leha, aristes, etc. Churans, leha, aristes, etc. Drugs of direct therapeutic uses, for example, include steroid, antibiotic, vincristine, etc. तब आ गया फॉर्मेशन ऑफ नोवेल मेडिसिन। तब इसमें आ जाएगा नोवेल मेडिसिन, द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू ड्रग्स इज टोटली डिपेंडेंट ऑन द फार्माकोग्नोसी। तब है क्रूड ड्रग्स, ड्रग एवोल्यूशन Drug evolution is a confirmation of drugs identity, purity, and quality. Drug evolution establishes a drug's identity as well as its quality and purity. The biochemical variations in the drugs, the effects of handling and storing the adulteration and storing the drugs and adulteration and substitution are main causes for the requirement for good pharmaceuticals. Method of drug evolution. There are various method of drug evolution. नंबर वन में आ जाएगा नंबर वन में आ जाएगा ऑर्गेनोलेप्टिक इवोल्यूशन, माइक्रोस्कोपिक इवोल्यूशन, फिजिकल इवोल्यूशन, केमिकल इवोल्यूशन, बायोलॉजिकल इवोल्यूशन. तब ऑर्गेनोलेप्टिक इवोल्यूशन using the sense organs to evaluate medication is known as organoleptic evolution. It allows to analytical techniques such as color, smell, taste, size, and unique traits like touch and texture, organoleptic characters. It includes an examination of visual appearance, the identity of the drug is possible when the drug is present in their entire form or entire parts of the like plants like leaves, root, fruit, flower, seeds, hairs, rhizomes, or roots, etc. तब आ गया माइक्रोस्कोपिक एवोल्यूशन. दिस मेथड अलाउज अ मोर डिटेल्ड एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ द ड्रग. इट कैन बी यूज टू आइडेंटिफाई ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ड्रग्स इन देयर हिस्टोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टर्स. Before material is prepared, before the material is prepared. This can be done by powdering, cutting thin section of drugs, prepared it on slide. Palisade ratio. तब है it on Palisade ratio. It's represent the average number of palisade cells beneath one epidermal cell. It varies according to it determinate powdered drugs. तो वही डायग्रामर बना लोगे. तब स्टोमाटा. There are minute openings in the leaf which will help in the gaseous exchange of the plant. Stomatal index. तब है it is percentage proportion proportion of the number of stomata cell to the number of epidermal cell. It varies according to the age of leaf. SI बराबर S बटा E प्लस S इंटू 100 वेयर SI बराबर स्टोमाटल इंडेक्स और S बराबर नंबर ऑफ स्टोमाटा पर यूनिट एरिया. E बराबर नंबर ऑफ एपिडर्मल सेल इन द सेम यूनिट एरिया. Physical evolution contains such as elasticity in fibers, viscosity of drugs containing gums, melting and boiling points, and water contents are some important parameters used in evolution of drug. chemical evolution, the determinants is active chemical constituents a drug by chemical test is referred as chemical evolution, biological evolution. The biological the plant or extract can be evaluated by various biological method to determine pharmacological activity, potency, and toxicity, etc. Crude drugs may be derived from various natural sources like plants, animal minerals, and microorganisms, etc. Due to their wide distribution, the arrangement of classification in a definite sequence is necessary to understand easily. Classification of drugs, alphabetical classification, morphological classification, taxonomical classification, pharmacological classification, chemical classification, chemotaxonomical classification. तो एक एक करके डिफाइन करेंगे. तो अल्फ़ाबेटिकल क्लासिफिकेशन, तो द क्रूड ड्रग्स आर arranged according to the alphabetical order by their English or Latin names. Some of the pharmacopoeias and reference books which classify the drugs according to this system are Indian Pharmacopoeia, British Pharmacopoeia, United States Pharmacopoeia, Extra Pharmacopoeia, International Pharmacopoeia. Advantage: it is a simple method. In this system, location tracing of drugs is very easy. No confusion as entries cannot appear repeatedly. Disadvantage: scientific nature of drugs is not revealed by this system. Original sources are also not clear. This system does not show that which entries are new and which are old. For example, agar, benzoin, cinchona, distillace, ergot, fennel, ginger, quinoa, linseed, mustard, nutmeg, etc. तो दूसरा है टैक्सोनॉमिकल क्लासिफिकेशन. तो in this type of classification the drugs are classified according to taxonomical studies. The drugs are arranged according to the phylum, order, family, genus, species in their origin.